Hello everyone. Let's explore 3 exciting features you will want to use right after upgrading to macOS 15 Sequoia. I am currently testing the macOS Sequoia 15 beta version, so please note that some features might change before the final release. The first feature we will learn about is Safari's reader mode in macOS Sequoia. If you want to read a web page, article, or text without ads and other distractions, click the article, then click the reader mode icon on the left side of Safari 18's address bar. After that, click the Show Reader button from the pop-up menu to view the article or text on one page, including related images without distracting ads. After the article or text is displayed in reader mode, you can customize the background color by clicking the reader icon in the address bar and selecting one of 4 colors: white, sepia, gray, or black. To change the font, hover your mouse over the desired font and click to apply the change. To adjust the text or font size, click the drop-down menu and select your preferred size. If you need to find something specific within the text, click the Find icon and enter your search term in the search box. To exit reader mode, click the Hide Reader button. If you want to consistently view CNN in reader mode, go to Website Settings and check Use Reader when available. This setting applies only to the CNN website and won't affect other sites. I don't like this automatic feature because it can sometimes be annoying, so I prefer not to use it. Instead, I'll manually enable reader mode when I want to. The second feature we will explore is recording audio in the Notes app on macOS Sequoia. To start, launch the Notes app by clicking its icon in the dock, or by using Spotlight search in the menu bar. Type Notes in the search box, click the app's icon, or press Enter on your keyboard. Next, click the New Note button to create a new note. Select your new note from the Notes list. Then click the Audio Record button to open the recording panel on the right side of the app. Press the red button to start recording. For example, you might say, "Hello Dave, I want to let you know that I won't be able to attend the meeting on Friday morning." To pause the recording, click the pause button. To resume, click the Resume button. Once you have finished recording, click the Stop button to view the transcription of your audio. To listen to your recording, click the Play button. To add an image to the audio message, simply drag the image into your Notes window. To share your audio, text, and images, right-click or control-click on your note. select Share Note, and then choose the app you want to use to send your message.
If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell for more. Thank you.
There is one point you need to pay attention to. When you want to record audio, make sure your text cursor is positioned in the text area. If the text cursor is not visible or blinking, the record audio button won't be available. Another new feature in macOS Sequoia is automatic window tiling or snapping. Here is a tip for managing multiple open windows. When you have several windows open and they start overlapping, hover your mouse over the green button in the top left corner of the active window. Then select the icon with 4 windows to view all your open windows at once. If you want to focus on one window, double-click the top part of the window to maximize your window size for better viewing. To switch to another window or app, double-click the top part again to return the window to its previous size. I find this feature useful and plan to use it after installing the final version of macOS Sequoia. If you want to open 2 windows side by side, click and drag one window to the left and the other one to the right. There is one point you need to remember. When you drag a window to the left or right, the white outline will not appear until your mouse pointer touches the edge of the screen. The white outline serves as a visual reference for the size and position of your window. You can also organize the windows by using the Move and Resize icons to position them on the left, right, top, or bottom of the screen. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on the LT Lucid Tutorials logo and sharing the video link with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.